Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Welcome back to school again. Today we will talk about Unit 1, Lessons 1 and 2 with the title, The Food Here is Great. Okay, let's start. Okay, before we start, we have two questions about the lesson. First of all, what's your favorite food? I want you to think about this question and answer. Second one, where do you like to eat? You like to eat at home or at a restaurant or so? Okay? Next, let's listen to the lesson, point and repeat.
Listening 4. Listen and point.
Waiter. Waitress. Uniform. Menu. Customer. Bottle of water. Cup of coffee. Glass of milk. Bowl of soup. Plate of salad.
Listen and repeat.
Waiter. Waitress. Uniform. Menu. Customer. Bottle of water. Cup of coffee. Glass of milk. Bowl of soup. Plate of salad.
Okay, let's move to the next slide. Now we have some questions. Let's answer these questions together. Number one, space is a person who takes people's orders in a restaurant. Who is seller, waiter, or vet? Yes, excellent, the waiter, very good. Number two, you read the, to choose your food. Read what? Order, uniform, or menu? Yes, very good, the menu. We use the menu to select our food at the restaurant. Number three, can I have what of water, please? Bowl of water, bottle of water, or plate of water? Yes, mister, it's very easy. Bottle of water, excellent. Number four, the menu, there are many kinds of food. Which preposition we can use? From, it, or on? Excellent, on the menu. The last question, this restaurant has good A of pizzas. A packet, a similar, or a selection of pizzas? Yes, excellent, a selection of pizzas. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Rearrange the following sentences. We have 5 sentences. We want to rearrange them in the correct order. So pay attention, you have to start with the underlined word. Pay attention. First one, we can use with can. Please, I, can, some, have, salad. Yes, it's a question. Very good. Can I have some salad, please? Can I have some salad, please? Number 2, sitting, a train, looking, I am, out, on, at the rain. So we are going to start with I am. Yes, very good. I am sitting on a train looking at the rain. Yes. Next, have people usually breakfast for food? Yes, people then usually have food for breakfast. People usually have food for breakfast. Next, often to we restaurant this come. So we start with we, yes, then often, then the verb come, yes, to this restaurant. Excellent, very good. We often come to this restaurant. The last sentence or the last question. Food, do, healthy, eat, you what? So it's a question, very Mr. We are going to start with what? Yes, what healthy food do you eat? What healthy food do you eat? Let's move to the next slide together.
Listening 5. Listen and read.
We often come to this restaurant. The food here is great.
Look, Max. All the waiters are wearing green today. They usually wear blue uniforms.
So next, number 2. Put your finger.
Can I have a bowl of pasta and some salad, please?
Sorry, we haven't got any pasta. But on the menu we've got a selection of pizzas. Look.
That's strange. You usually have pasta. We have pasta every time.
Usually? But you're our first customers.
Really? But this is Ken's Cafe, isn't it?
Ken's Cafe is next door. This is the pizza place. We only opened today.
So that's why it's different. Well, let's try it.
You're our first customers. Have free ice creams.
Wow! Thank you.
Listen to the grammar lesson about the present simple tense. Okay. Listen to grammar student book page number 9. The present simple tense. Okay, before we start, we want to know what is the present simple tense. The present simple talk about the first form of the verb. What the meaning of the first form of the verb? The first form of the verb, like the verbs in the first form without any addition, like eat, like do, like walk, run, talk, and so on. But we have two things. If we use a singular subject and we have plural subject. When we use he, she, and it, we put s to the verb. If we use I, you, we, and they, we don't put s to the verb. So we have a pronoun like I, you, we, and they, and we have the noun. Maybe we can say Ahmed, Muhammad, Ahmed, and Ali, and so on. So we can use pronoun or we can use the noun. Okay, so what about the usage of the present simple? We have two usage. We can, number 1, to talk about things that are always true. What the meaning, mister? That when we have things that are true, like what? Elephants are very big. It's a true thing. There's no doubt of this. Okay, elephants are very big. Number 2, when you freeze water, what happens? It turns into ice. It turns into ice. So here, present simple, freeze, and turns with s. We use s here because we have it. Number 2, for habits or things you do many times or all the times. For habits or things you usually do many times or all the times. Okay, like what? I usually get up at 7 o'clock. So it's a habit. When you do something usually or all the time or every day, it's called a habit. Okay? When you do something regularly or every day, it's called a habit. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. I usually have my dinner at 7 o'clock and so on. They usually wear blue uniforms. They usually wear blue uniforms. So this is the usage of the present simple and the form. We have another rule. It's the present continuous tense. Let's revise it. What is the form of the present continuous tense? Okay, the subject, maybe it's a pronoun or noun, plus am is are plus verb ing. Like what? I here take am, like plus verb, like plus ing. For example, I am walking in the street. I am walking in the street. Here we put subject I plus am plus the verb walk plus ing. You, we, they. What do they take or what do they follow by? You, we, they we use are plus verb plus ing. For example, you are walking, we are eating, they are running. Okay? What about the singular subject like he, she, it? It's followed by is. Yes, like he is plus a verb plus ing. Like what? He is eating, she is cooking in the kitchen, and it's sleeping. Okay? So what about the usage of the present continuous tense? We can use the present continuous tense to talk about what we are doing now. Something I'm doing at the moment or at the time of speaking. Like what? She is doing her homework now. So a girl is doing her homework now. She's writing her homework now. Something is happening at the time of speaking. They are wearing green today. They are wearing green today. Okay, so here we use they plus are, the verb they plus wear, ing, wearing green today. Okay? So the second usage, for things you are doing at the time of speaking. Like what? I am writing my lessons at this moment. I am writing my lessons at this moment. They are having pizza now. Okay? Let's move to the next slide. Yes. This is the student book. Let's look at the student book. The book example and the questions. Yes. Present continuous, present simple and present continuous. Yes, look at this. They usually wear blue uniforms. Here we put the verb wear in red. They are wearing green today. Which one of these is present simple and which one is present continuous? Yes, who can answer? They usually wear. Very good, excellent. This is one present simple and this one is present continuous. Excellent. Next, we usually have pasta. We usually have pasta, but we are having pizza now. So which one is present simple and which one is continuous? Who can answer? Yes, very good. We usually have pasta is present simple, but we are having pizza now in the present continuous. So here you use the present simple for things you do many times or all the time. Use the present continuous for things you are doing at the time of speaking. Here, for example, we usually eat at King's Cafe, but today we are trying the pizza place. It's great. Let's answer these examples. First one is answered already. She's drinking or drinks a glass of water now. Look at this sentence. We use drinking. Why? Because we have, yes, very good, is. We use am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing. So we have is, we have to use drinking. And we have now, something is happening at the moment. Number two, who can answer it? Yes, I can hear you. The family are sit or sitting or sits by the door today. Which one? Yes, Mr. I can see are, so I will use sitting, ing. Very good, excellent. Are sitting by the window or by the door today. Number three, they usually sits by the window. Which one? They usually, yes, excellent. Present simple. We don't have am, is, are. Yes, I will use sit. Yes, excellent. They usually sit. Number four, he never having has soup for dinner. Yes, he. Take what, Mr. Have or has. Yes, excellent. Has. He never has soup for dinner. Number five, she's having or has soup at the moment. Which one? Yes, Mr. I can see is, so I will put ing, excellent, having. She's having soup at the moment. Next, we have some exercises. Let's move to it. We can use, look at this passage. We use has, choose from the words above. Has, playing, having. This one means we are going to use it 2 times, okay? Play, shares, have, okay? So the first one is answered. At break time, I usually play with my friends. Yes, good. Number 2, with my friends, Beth and Alex. Alex isn't at school today, so I am with Beth. I am, yes, playing, excellent. Yes, playing with Beth. I am playing with Beth. We are for fun today. We are having fun, excellent. Thank you. We are having fun today. At lunchtime, I always a sandwich and an apple. I always have excellent. I always have sandwich and an apple. But there weren't any apples. So today I am a banana. I am today, and I am MSR. We use excellent, having a banana. Number 6. Alex usually speaks salad and biscuits. Alex usually Yes, Alex is a singular subject. We use have or has. Excellent has is a singular word. Has salad and biscuits. Sometimes she space her biscuits with us. She gives her biscuits with us. She is a kind girl. Yes, she shares. Excellent, very good. Okay, let's move to the next slide. We have some questions. Let's answer this question together. Rewrite the following sentences using the words in brackets. Okay. First, the waitress is wearing a red uniform now. We want to put every day. What is this? We want to change this sentence from the present continuous, as here is wearing, to the present simple. How can we change it? Okay, so we change the sentence from present continuous, is wearing here, to the present simple. Yes? Very good. The waitress wears a red uniform every day. Here we remove ing and is, and we put s for the verb. The waitress wears only. Wear, the verb wear, and we add s because the waitress is a singular subject. Waitress is one, so we put here wears. Okay? Did you remember? We put s to the singular subject. But if we have a plural subject, we don't put s. Number 2, I send emails to my friends every day. I send the emails. Oh, this one is present simple or continuous? Yes, present simple. I send emails to my friends every day. We want to change it to the present continuous. We want to put now. So where is the verb? Send. Okay? We want to change it. I take am Mr. Excellent. I am send. What I will put? ing excellent. I am sending emails to my friends. I will put every day now? No, we will remove every day and we put now. Excellent. I am sending emails to my friends now. Number 3, he usually eats sandwiches and cakes today. Okay, present simple or present continuous? I can hear you, yes. Very good, present simple, he usually eats. So we are going to remove the s and put s and ing. And we will put usually? No, mister, we will remove it. So we remove usually and put today at the end of the verb, or at the end of the sentence, He is eating sandwiches and cakes today. He is eating sandwiches and cakes today. Number 4, they are spending their holiday in Paris. Where? They are spending their holiday in Paris. Where is a question word we use to talk or to ask about the place. Where is the place here? Very good, Paris. So we are going to ask about, and don't forget to make a reverse or reverse the subject and auxiliary verb. Put where are they spending their holiday. So we are going to hide this, okay, or to remove Paris because it's the answer. Where are they spending their holiday? And now, this is the last of our lesson today. Thank you so much, and I see you later. Thank you so much.